Once your system is properly configured, you'll see a solid green light for the CT chain, a solid green or white light for the voltage connection. The color will be different depending on the type of voltage that it senses, and a solid green light for the Wi-Fi connection. If all three of these lights are solid green or white, this top indicator will show white and your system is transmitting. If this is ever red, that indicates that one of the subsystems is not properly configured, and you may open this to see what it is. And again, if your Wi-Fi light is red, typically the system is having trouble connecting to either the LTE connection or the Wi-Fi present near the panel. You can go through the commissioning process again and just go through the connect Wi-Fi option to try to see if you can reconnect it to that Wi-Fi, but perhaps your internal network Wi-Fi might be down. For the voltage check, if your voltage chain, if the voltage detected is not reading the right phases or reading the right levels, there's a chance that you've maybe connected the phases of the voltage incorrectly, and that would be something to check if this light turns red. That means it's not a compatible voltage configuration that the system is detecting. And lastly, the CT, if this shows red, then go to the CT lights to see where the break in the chain might be. But if the light is red, the system is unable to see a continuous chain back to the base transmitter. But if all three lights are good, then your system is up and running and you're all set for granular data that leads to actionable insights for your building.